Hello guys, how's everybody going? Today I'm gonna talk about our project one, which is draw these plans, right? You can choose either one, okay? Then let's go ahead and start to do it. The first step, you wanna open a new AutoCAD file, right? You just go to new and you can open it. Open a new file, and once you open a new file, the first step is that we need the image so we can draw it, right? So you just go to insert. And here attach, right? You just click attach, and then you can choose, either one you want. For example, in this case, I would like to choose this one, and click OK and open. And the default is just set up the specify on screen and specify on screen checked. This is pretty good. Click OK, and you can just select the first point and drag. Then to set up the size of image, right? Usually the size of image may not what you want. You can change that by click the edge and change the size of it. Okay, I think right now 500 to 400 something. See here, you can see this box is pretty good. If you don't see this coordinate box, you just go to customization here and check the coordinates. Then you should definitely gonna have coordinates showing up here. Okay, and then I think it's pretty good. So this was background image. You can actually hide and show. Just click that. Okay, click this button. Then you're gonna be there. All right. Then we should be able to go ahead and draw it. The first step is we need to think about the layers, because we want a different color in different layer, right? I think in this case we have 7 different color. We have orange, dark blue, this is blue, this is actually light blue, this is blue, this is like white blue, even lighter blue, and this is pink, right? Light pink. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and yellow 7. We have 7 different colors. Okay, so we need to set up those colors, right? So I just go to layer property. See here, and I have all this kind of layer set up. I just go to new layer, and I just give them the name. Okay. For example, delete this layer. Let me delete this layer. So for example, the blue layer, right? Let me delete it. I just go click this new layer button, and there's new layer, right? I can give a name. I give a name blue. Okay, and then this is the color of the layer. So you can just click this button and just give them a color. Okay, then you have the color you want. All right, so you should do that. You should have 7 different layers, and all the layers have different colors, okay, associated with which is the color in the map also. So then we should be able to go ahead and draw them. You just use the point line tool to trace each shape. For example, I wanna, and also you wanna start with this big layer on the bottom. For example, this dark blue is definitely on the bottom, and you see this round shape is on the top of them, right? This orange shape on top of them, right? So just trace this layer first. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. You just trace them. Okay, pretty cool. And make sure you open the snap tool so you can just make your drawing easier. Okay. By the way, to work with snap tool, you want to uncheck something like midpoint, may not that helpful, so you need to work with them. Okay. So once we have this line drawn, you just select this line and you go to right click, properties. Right now at layer 0 we want to change them to dark blue, right? You just go to dark blue. Okay, then you can see the color of this line turned to dark blue. See here, it's dark blue right now. Alright, there's another line. Like this on top of it, right? We want to make it orange, right? So then we just click this line and right click, go to properties, and we set them to the layer orange. See here, and the line color changed to orange. Alright, pretty cool. We just draw another orange. So it takes some time to trace them, but I just wanted you to practice, to get familiar with all these kind of drawing tools, right? And just experience how easy to draw things on computer, okay? And accurately, okay? So you can actually select the image and hide the image and see whether or not that's what we want, right? See here. So in the end, you should be able to have all these shapes be drawn. Okay. Let me draw one more. Okay, so this should be, I think this should be light blue, actually white blue. Okay, and there's another circle somewhere in here, and it's gonna be light blue. Okay, light blue. So let's go ahead and go select image and show image. See here, then you have all kinds of shapes drawn. Okay, the other thing is, the other requirements for this project is you want to give at least 2 hatches. Okay, 2 color with hatch. Okay, for example, this orange, right? Select orange, right? You want to give them a hatch. So what you do, you just select them first, and you click this hatch tool, and you just give them. You can make any pattern. Okay, all kinds of pattern you want, and just give them a color. For example, this case, I want to give them this color, and just select them. Okay. So then when you hide the see, when you have the image, it's filled with color. Okay, so you need at least 2 hatch, okay, shown in your drawing. Okay, or others can be just line. Okay, and also make sure where you hatched, you want to right click and property, go to the layer. Okay, because right now where you hatched is in layer 0, right? But it's orange. You want to go to layer orange. Okay, so in the end, when you when I go to this drop down menu, right? For example, if I hide orange, all orange disappear, right? If I hide light blue, or light blue disappear. If I hide white blue, or white blue disappear. If I hide dark blue, or dark blue disappear. Okay, this include the boundary lines and hatch. Okay, so basically that's project 1. You just, I just like what I did, right? I already did this part. You just finish your other parts, just practice with the drawings. Okay, so I hope you enjoy it. If you have any question, definitely let me know. Okay, so see you next time.